Your body needs sleep every single day. Staying awake all night starts harming your brain. Late nights disturb your natural body clock. Your brain does not get time to rest. Without sleep, the brain becomes tired quickly. Thinking clearly becomes very difficult. After 24 hours without sleep, problems begin. Your body starts to slow down. You feel sleepy, weak, and exhausted. Even simple tasks feel hard. Your brain works slower than normal. Focus and attention start decreasing. You make more mistakes than usual. Your reaction time becomes slow. The brain sends warning signals, but you may ignore them. After 36 hours without sleep, things get worse. Your mind becomes confused. Your eyes feel dry and painful. Vision may become blurry. The brain struggles to process information. Simple decisions feel confusing. You forget things very easily. Memory becomes weak. Your ability to learn new things drops. The brain cannot store information properly. After 48 hours without sleep, danger increases. The body enters stress mode. You may start seeing or hearing things. These are called hallucinations. The brain feels overloaded and stressed. It cannot control emotions well. Your immune system becomes weak. You get sick more easily. Body temperature becomes unstable. Energy levels drop very low. After 72 hours without sleep, serious damage begins. The brain starts malfunctioning. Reality and imagination mix together. You may lose sense of time. The brain experiences extreme stress. Mental health is at high risk. Heart rate may increase dangerously. Blood pressure can rise. Hormones go out of balance. Mood swings become severe. Extreme sleep deprivation is very dangerous. It can damage many organs. The nervous system becomes unstable. Signals are sent incorrectly. Coordination and balance are lost. Walking becomes difficult. Your body feels weak and shaky. You may fall or stumble. The immune defense breaks down. Infections become more likely. Long-term sleep loss affects the whole body. Damage builds over time. The brain cannot repair itself properly. Mental abilities slowly decline. Risk of heart diseases increases. Brain health is also affected. Doctors warn about lack of sleep. It is a serious health issue. Sleep is not optional, it is a biological need. During sleep, the brain cleans waste. This keeps it healthy. Memories are organized during sleep. Learning becomes stronger. The immune system rebuilds at night. Your body becomes stronger. Deep sleep helps the body heal, muscles and cells repair. A rested brain works faster, thinking becomes clear. The body stays balanced and calm. Stress levels remain low. Sleep keeps you alive and healthy. It is essential for survival. 1 week without sleep is extremely dangerous. The brain may shut down functions. Extreme tiredness affects personality. People may act differently. Clear thinking becomes almost impossible. Judgment is badly affected. Brain cells stop communicating properly. Neural connections weaken. Emotions become unstable. Anger, sadness, and fear increase. Stress hormones flood the body. This damages organs. The immune system nearly stops working. Illness risk becomes very high. The body enters survival mode. Danger signs appear everywhere. Sleep deprivation affects every system. No part of the body is safe. Reaction time becomes very slow. Accidents are more likely. Driving or working becomes dangerous. Small mistakes can be deadly. Decision-making skills collapse. Poor choices increases. Memory loss becomes severe. Past and present blur. You may feel disconnected from reality. Mental health suffers greatly. The brain needs sleep to survive. Without it, the damage grows. Sleep removes toxic waste from the brain. This prevents long term damage. Cells repair themselves during sleep. Healing happens at night. Memories are saved properly. Learning becomes effective. Hormones reset while sleeping. Body functions stay balanced. The immune system grows stronger at night. Sleep protects you from disease. Everyone needs enough sleep daily. The amount depends on age. Children need more sleep than adults. Sleep supports the growth. Good sleep makes you feel refreshed. Energy returns naturally. A healthy brain works at full power. Focus and memory improve. Never ignore sleep. Sleep is life.